Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Hunter, and today I decided I was going to do kind of like a little bit of a get ready with me. Planning on doing a video today as well as like kind of like a vlog style, but I'm also doing my makeup because I'm going to be doing another sit down video that's like autumn related. So I thought I'd just turn on the camera now because I feel like I never do like sit down videos where I just kind of talk about me, just things about me. So I really feel like most of the time I haven't introduced myself. So besides reading like my channel name, most of you don't even know my name. So hi, my name is Hunter, and sorry, I'm just trying to focus on blending this out a little. Why am I using my finger? I usually use it doesn't even say, oh, define crease. I use the define crease brush for concealer. In this lighting, it makes my concealer look really warm because it's like super cool blue lighting, and that's kind of why I put this like blanket around me, because with the white shirt, it was kind of like throwing me off a bit. So I put this more neutral pink tone so I can finish up my makeup. I just started, but I'm using Sephora line. This is their Bright Future Concealer in the color Pot de Creme. Anyways, the concealer in 16, and then Perfect Natural Finish Longwear Foundation, and it's in the color 45P. Well, anyway, these are what they look like, and I just got these over the weekend, so today is my first time trying these out. But of course the concealer, I mean, it looks nice, but it doesn't look as like it matches that well in this lighting. But I need to also put on my foundation too, but I just want to blend it out a little bit more. Also wanted to talk about like the direction I'm going with my channel. I know that I started off when I recently came back in April of 2022 last year. I did a phone video that did really well, and that's where most of you are from. I will still do phone videos, but I feel like I want to explore more lifestyle, skincare kinds of videos. So I mainly just started doing some skincare videos, like shorts mainly, but I plan on doing like more of that kind of thing. What I also noticed is that my phone is like not the newest phone anymore, so I don't get as many searches for that video as when it first came out, that video unboxing first came out. So I wanted to branch off because I'm not going to replace my phone just because it's been like a year. So I'll still do creative videos about it, like the setup, changing that around, but I just popped some out on my hand. But I've been thinking that I just made that, I made that video on a whim because it was new, a brand new phone, and I thought, well, I guess I could create it, and I didn't know it was going to do well. I'm taking the foundation angle brush from Eco Tools. I didn't know that video would do well, so at that moment, I was distracted by how my foundation was looking, so I didn't finish what I was saying. But basically, I never intended to be a phone channel and like setups. I mainly wanted to do vlogs and like my experiences. So now I kind of want to get back into what I wanted to do originally. It's looking a little off though in this lighting. And besides lifestyle videos, I also want to get into like just kind of talking videos or advice kind of things, because again, I've never really, most of my videos are silent with music playing. Yeah, they're kind of like just a no talking silent vlog type, but I don't really have a lot of sit down videos, so that's what I want to do. Not all of them, but I do want to do more like sections of just kind of sit down and talking. I never really share a lot of the things that are just like on my mind, and I just kind of want to share those with you guys. I did my eyebrows earlier, but it looks like I haven't done anything because I reapplied my sunscreen because it's been 4 hours. That's also something I'm doing again, wearing sunscreen. You're like, why don't you wear sunscreen? The reason why is because I don't want to get makeup on this, but sorry, all sunscreens that I have 2 of them, and they're both super white cast, like super white cast. This one that I'm wearing now, I have to rub it in a lot, and then it peels, or like little, yeah, it's like little peels or little dots of sunscreen that I have to like dust off my face every single time I put it on. Wherever I put it, I have to dust like the rest of it off. And then I got a mineral one recently, and that one's just way worse than white cast. This one, it looks kind of natural after it sits for a while, like 5-10 minutes later it looks more like my skin, but I can still like see like anywhere where I have like dark parts of my face, so like under the eyes and like creases and stuff, it looks super bluey white and gives like the ashy kind of look, like, you know, the 90s makeup was kind of ashy looking. I look like that, and that's not what I want to look like. So I'm thinking about picking up after I finish this one, because I might as well just suck it up and use it, and then try to find in the meantime one that's clear sunscreen. That way I can stop looking like a ghost. And also I have to like rub it in so much, and I'm sick of doing that. Foundation. I'm sick of rubbing it into my skin all so much, because it just doesn't like look right. And this is my setup on my bed, which is like a bad idea. Anyways, this is my makeup bag I got for my birthday a couple years ago. Oh, actually it's like a travel size like bag, and I just use it as a makeup bag. And then I have this palette by Revolution. It's Nikki Lily. I just bought it because of the colors. I think I'm going to use my favorite color in this is cappuccino, so I think I'm going to use do a simple makeup look that includes cappuccino. I have 2 powders. I have this one from e.l.f. and it is their Perfect Finish HD powder. Nothing on the back. Over there is the super bad quality. Over by my window ledge I have Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, so I'm going to be using both of those. So let me go grab that so I can put that on. I also have, this is the only one I have, makeup mist and set, so I'm going to also be putting that on just to kind of help my makeup set for the day. So let me put this. I keep them in this little bag. I have no idea where it came from, but when I bought these brushes, well, most of them except one I think, I got this Equal Tools tray, so that is where I put my brushes at. And then this is also where I'm gonna like do my setting powder over, because I'm on my bed right now, and I know that that's dumb, especially with like brand new foundation and these sheets are white. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna try baking. I'm gonna put a little bit of mist to set. brush. Can you tell that I've never done it before? I feel like you can't. I see people using that little, but I don't have one of those. But I'm a beauty blender and I don't know why I didn't think to do that. So I'm gonna be back and I'm not gonna bake. I fixed it. I did still bake. I think it came out nice. It looks very, in the bathroom mirror, you know, it always looks better in the bathroom mirror, but I think it came out nice. So then while I was in there, I was like, well, I already messed up baking. Does it really matter if I mess up putting on a contour? Because it's downstairs, I don't have it right now, but I have this, I think it's a foundation, something like that. It's darker and I can try to contour with it. Oh wow. What is going on? At least it looks kind of cute like cross on, but when you act all wild, it looks extra not cute. Let's just leave it alone. I already messed up trying to bake. Let's not mess up everything else. So I'm gonna do my eyes really without talking and the rest of it, and then I'll come back for the lips because I think I want to do a lip liner. No, I'm not going to. I'm just going to do plain color because my mom was using it and she has not given it back, and I don't want to go all the way downstairs for it, just like I don't want to go downstairs for the other foundation I could use for contour. And since I use my crease brush for concealer, I'm just going to use the blurring, which is basically like an eyeshadow brush. I feel like I'm supposed to use some swap. So for the eyeshadow, I didn't do anything crazy, just cappuccino on the lids, and I packed that all over, and then I went in with the same palette, hot chocolate, and I put that in the outer half of my crease as well as a little bit on the top of the lid. And then I followed up with an eyeshadow stick just to brighten the inner corners of my eyes, and I did that on both sides. Then, because I'm still kind of learning eyeliner, what I did first was line it with brown liner, which doesn't show up too well, but it helps me kind of trace the line or achieve the look that I want with my eyeliner. I honestly just need to buy better eyeliner because my black one is kind of dry and it just doesn't do that good, so I need to just buy a new one. Yeah, I've been doing that for a little while, trying to learn how to draw eyeliner better, and so now I'm gonna go in with my black eyeliner, which I won't even really tell you the brand of because I don't love it. Let me hold the camera better so you can see. That one's okay. This one, best I can do. So next is everyone's favorite part, blush, and I have this travel size from Milk, and I'll put the shade on the screen. Looks like I'm sniffing it. Because this color is like really light and honestly kind of similar to my skin tone. I know it's pink, but it's like within the same kind of range of my skin tone. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I know this is obviously pink, but it's like within the range of my skin tone. I don't have to blend this one out too much, or because if I blend too much, it just kind of disappears. So that's why I'm just kind of blending the edges of it, and that's pretty. And then and so it didn't look too harsh, I used my powder brush to blend that out. Lastly, I started on mascara. I used two different ones. I have this e.l.f. mascara. I like this one because it lengthens, and then the milk one is pretty good at separating, so that's why I used the combo of two of them. This was not super chatty, but I tried makeup look, but I hope to do more talking. And then this shade, which I think looks nice with this one, darker but very similar.